What was India Today's own assessment on this? I thought who better than Cyrus to call upon and understand and pick his brain on what he thought was the big takeaway from the AI summit. So Cyrus is with us here in the studio. Cyrus, you've been going there every day. You had some good, bad experiences. You had some eye-opening experiences as well. Take us through what you found were your top 5 moments.
Well, we'll talk about the good experiences. There has been so much happening at the AI summit that it's very difficult for us to compress everything, but yes, because of which we have 5 important points where the focus has been and where the world needs to look. Now, when we talk about the AI summit, one of the major important points is the infrastructure. Now, no country in the world can build AI without infrastructure. When I say infrastructure, GPUs. Now, when I say GPUs, what are they? The microchips in your computer or your smartphones that run all the operations. Think of GPUs as the brain for AI to process. All of these images, the videos that you're creating are because of GPUs. Now, India already had a cluster of 38,000 GPUs. Now, the Prime Minister said that we are adding 20,000 more GPUs to that lot, which makes the processing power even better, and that's great. Now, imagine such resources at the disposal of so many engineers who can use this and then create AI. I mean, algorithms will be better, their processing will be better. So infrastructure is very important, and also important is the investments that are coming in. Data centers, now Reliance, Adani both have said that they're investing billions in data centers, which will also not only give you the compute power, but the data will be sovereign. It will be inside over here, and that's also something very important in terms of infrastructure. And global companies and India together have gone on to invest more than $260 billion and promised that this is the investment that will come in the future. So yes, infrastructure is also very important. The next point that I would like to also talk about is global partnership, which means that even the Prime Minister has said that a partnership is pivotal whenever you are looking to create AI for the globe. And another key takeaway is creating the AI in India, because it is always important. Whenever the controversy that we had with Grok, they were looking to shut down Grok for reasons, which is where I feel that an AI for India is important with Indian languages. Because remember, only 10 to 12% of the population speaks English, and the rest of the population requires regional languages to have their AI assistance for. So yes, the importance of creating sovereign AI is also key. And then last but not the least, talking about the jobs. The job market is also something that's very important. We need to talk about the disruption of the job market. Many of the top leaders have gone on to say that, yes, it will take away the white-collar jobs, it will take away Tier 1 jobs, but the opportunities will also come in the future. However, the concerns are about the pace at which AI is replacing jobs, whether it will be able to create jobs at the same pace. And that's something that a lot of people have been talking about at the summit as well. But again, lots more to come. I believe this summit has given a platform to a lot of the companies that have come here, Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, to not only showcase their wares, but also talk about what they will do for India. Because remember, India at the end of the day is a tech-savvy population that is consuming a lot of these AI tools. We are one of the biggest users of ChatGPT. But the problem is, how does this trickle down to the rest of the population? And that's where India is saying that we are having this summit. You need to come up with innovations to make tools for the rest of the India, make for the infrastructure, create for infrastructure, build for more innovations that will serve the other Indians, the rest of the India that we are talking about. So yes, a lot to take away from the India AI Summit. I feel the next leg, wherever it is going to be more important, and India is going to be a key speaker, a key power in that summit as well.
Yeah, and also, Cyrus, we keep talking about it. We want AI to solve for real problems like air pollution. We want AI to solve for traffic. We want AI to solve for health, for cancer. We want AI to solve for things that are, that are integral to humanity. And at the moment, it feels like that AI is solving for a lot of stuff, but perhaps a lot of it is got to do with big tech. So we've got to watch this space and see how carefully that moves as well. But for the moment, that was Cyrus bringing you up to speed with all the big takeaways from the AI Impact Summit. Thanks so much for that.